Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on your Google Pixel phone. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find the settings app right here and you're gonna click on it to open the settings, and then you're gonna scroll down to wallpaper and style. So you're gonna click on that, and here you can adjust all of these settings for your wallpaper. But if you want to change it, there are a few options already here for you picked out. But you can also click on more wallpapers to assign your own. So you can click on my photos to select your own wallpaper, or you can choose the presets that came with your phone. So for example, I'm gonna pick one of these. I'm gonna click on it, and here you can see how it looks on your phone. And if you're fine with this, you can click set wallpaper to save it. And here you have two options. You can either change it only on your home screen, or you can change it on the both if you select both of them, or you can change it on your lock screen only. So I'm gonna do lock screen only for now. I'm gonna click set, and then I'm gonna quit this app. And if I turn my phone off, I'm gonna turn it back on, you can see that the wallpaper has changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.